Namaskar. In the series of Vimars about Bhagat Singh's life, today I am taking a topic about wealth and some thoughts about it in context of Bhagat Singh. There was a magazine in Punjab named Kirti, and year 1928 there was an article summarizing the thoughts of Bhagat Singh. Article was the economy and communalism. Actually, the Marxism has three core principles. One of three is the any event can be traced for the cause into the money. It means the money is the core reason that can be attributed for any event or any happening. Bhagat Singh forwarded this thought and wrote in the article that during the non-cooperation movement, the various leaders who contributed in it got bankrupted and was very bad economic position for them. He said that this bad economic phase led to the rise of Tablighi Jamaat that said come back to the Sunni sect of the Islamism, and Shuddhi sect that said that the come back to the root of Hinduism. Both were the communal in their thoughts and acts. Bhagat Singh said that this economic condition that is worsened during the non-cooperation movement is the root cause of that rise of the communalism. And later, many psychological studies about the riots, they found that riots actually in their core are the economic rivalries. Bhagat Singh gave the solution that we need to generate wealth to control the communism. It's quite surprising for a socialist thinker to put forward the thought about the wealth generation rather than wealth distribution. Bhagat Singh also traced that the communalism is the core threat for the nationalism also. And he was right in his thought when we saw the division on religious lines after the independence, during the independence. I wanted to put forward this wealth generation thought because it's quite contrary for a socialist thinker to talk about the importance of wealth. That's for the today's Vimars. Thanks.